Yo ninjas, I'm Kaio and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm gonna explain you how to use your patterns to change directions. If you follow the previous tutorials, you should know how to do the steps from the 1 to the 10 and also some patterns. Now it's time to put them together. Why is it important to change direction while you dance? Well, it's not really necessary to be able to change direction, but could help you to make your sets more complex and also not so boring, like that you spin all the time in the same way. So in this tutorial I'm not gonna teach you new moves, but I'm gonna use the moves that I already taught you in the previous tutorials, and I'm gonna teach you how to use them to change sides. Actually, in the first or the second tutorial that I made about the one step, I already showed you some ways to change direction using the monkey swing and the one step. The monkey swing is this move here, and the one step is this move here. If you put them together, you can use them in this way. I start counterclockwise using my right leg, like this. I do one round, then I do a monkey swing, and then I change side and I do the one step in the other side. You can do the same by taking two other moves. For example, you can take a 6-step and you can take a kick out. You can do them together and use the kick out to change direction in your 6-step. And you can do it in different ways. I'm gonna show you a few ways. This is the first 6-step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kick out, and then go to the other side. 6-step in the other side. And then do the same. This is one way. Another way could be like this. 6-step. And you do the kick out from here, so you don't do the last step of the 6-step, but you do like this. And then you come back to this side. And here the same. Or you can also do the kick out only with one end, like this. Now let's take other two moves. For example, the 3-step and the simple pretzel. I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna do a 3-step, then I'm gonna do a pretzel, actually half pretzel, because if I do a full pretzel, I'm gonna continue in the same way. I'm gonna show you. So 3-step first, 1, 2, 3. From here, I'm gonna kick this leg to do a half pretzel, so like this. And as you can see, when I turn my leg, I'm ready to do the 3-step to the other side. So from here, 1, 2, 3. And then again, 1, 2, 3. If I do a full pretzel, I'm gonna continue always in the same side. So it's not really a direction change. I'm gonna show you. 1, 2, 3. I did a full pretzel now, but as you can see, I come back to the same side as before. You can also do that, you don't really need to change direction, but this tutorial is about changing directions. If you do half of a pattern, usually you can change directions. If you do a full pattern, usually you come back to the same side. But it's not always like that, it depends which pattern you're using. So that's why it's also important to practice each basic step in both ways. I'm gonna show you this 3-step to pretzel to other way 3 steps again, slowly. So now it's up to you to take all your basic footworks and all your basic patterns and try to combine them and change ways. You can use every footwork step that you can do and each pattern that you can do, so the possibilities are endless. So this tutorial is very short because I didn't really teach you a move, but more like a concept, and then it's up to you to try. If you want, send me your videos where you try to change direction using your patterns on my Instagram at Kaio. And if you are interested, check out my merch, link in the description. And see you next week. Yo ninjas!